My name is Edward Nudelman, and I'd like to read a few poems from my new book called What Looks Like an Elephant, published by Lummox Press in March 2011. This book deals with the tension between certainty and doubt, the incongruity of what experience and struggle mean to us in our everyday life. First poem is entitled Linear Equations. Matrices of pixels, each dot depending on the next dot. 2 birds times 1 updraft equals the sum of lift and glide. Graph the sun's fall as a function of a gnat's perception of time. Are there really only 100 suns in a gnat's life? Graph darkness versus its tendency to lighten. There are rows of atoms in rows of cells in rows of corn. The volume of air in a deep cave is greater than the sum of its parts. Ask a spelunker to differentiate light's vector. Follow that course. Graph the activity of a winter bird as a function of ambient temperature. Graph all of the molecules in the universe as a function of size. Its integral is somewhere between 1 and infinity, but not the middle number. Balance the equation, entropy equals 1 heartbeat divided by 0. Then explain to me why heat will not flow from a colder body to a hotter body. You should be dead, but you aren't. Graph that. The next poem is called Last Requests. A hawk's view of a field in the last hour of light. To understand limitless reach, a concept withheld from those who are not birds. To differentiate ocean from water, space from enclosure, to stretch out over expanding coldness and remain insulated, cradled. To ride a tornado without feeling dizzy, slide down an elephant's back. Go to the dentist just for a thrill. Disavow self-preservation and envy. Denounce consumption, apathy, rancor. To see both the end and the beginning simultaneously and embrace both. To rest in hope and my own diminishing.